Here we go, we got more. I reckon that side maybe. Jesus. You just don't see that every day.
Bertha Morgan.